Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the world clock on your Apple Watch. Make sure it's unlocked and paired. Tap the app icon or press the complication from your watch face to jump straight in. Once there, tap the plus button to search and add a city. The watch uses your network or phone to fetch time zones. Make sure to pick the exact city name shown. This avoids similar names. After adding one, you'll see it listed. Keep going to add other places you need. Once cities are added, you manage them directly on the watch or from your iPhone. Press and hold a city row to delete or use the edit button to reorder. Drag items to set priority. For bulk changes, open the watch app on your iPhone, tap clock, and adjust locations faster. This syncs over automatically. Also, make sure to choose 12 or 24-hour format in settings if that matters to you, because the display choice carries between devices for consistency. To finish, tap any saved city to view detailed info like sunrise, sunset, and the minute offset versus your current location. This helps when scheduling calls across time zones. If times don't refresh, force restart the Apple Watch and verify your iPhone's date, time, and region settings. The watch mirrors those. If a city isn't found, check spelling and network connection, then try the iPhone Watch app to add it. That solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.